Hey guys, happy Saturday. Good morning to you. So I know my face kind of looked like, yeah, what's happening with her eyes or her lashes. Yeah, I'm actually doing them right now because I'm heading out to a event this morning. It's running on to 6:30 a.m. in the morning. So that means it's a breakfast party. And it's a breakfast party plus water party plus cool of it. So, you know, says a soca vibe, it's gonna be lit. So I just wanted to do a get ready with me and wanted to tell you guys about this lashes. So these I bought from Shein. This is my second time using them right now, and I think they're okay. It comes with the bond and seal and also lash removal. So I'm actually running behind time because I should have started like half an hour ago. But I've started, so I only have one eyes left. Knowing me, and like I told you guys, I haven't like really, you know, I'm not really like a lash girl. So I just wanted to give this a natural look. Does it look natural? I don't know, but it definitely looks nice. It's not like long, so I don't know what. I think I use 8, 10, and 12 basically. I use 8 on the inside, and then yeah, you know, you go up. So yeah, so I think this eye is finished, and we're gonna move on to the second eye. I'm gonna use the bond here. But like I said, we are running late. I'm in the bathroom trying to get ready, y'all. So yeah, I am just gonna finish my lashes right now, then need to head into the shower and get ready. All right, so I used 2 8s. I'm gonna use a 10. By the way, y'all, definitely we're not gonna wear makeup or thinking a bucket hat and glasses, or just the glasses only, because it is summertime and y'all know summer is crazy. Summer is acting crazy right now. So I think I'm at the end. That was 310, so I'm gonna use a 14. Should I use a 14? I don't know. No, I'm gonna use a 12 actually. Gonna put a 12 at the end. Okay, what do you guys think? All right, I think that's it. I could have put like another one right here, like a number 8, but I'm not gonna do that. All right, that is done. So we are literally gonna like jump in the shower right now because we are running late. So my lashes are done, so I actually just wanted to give my hair some body, so I'm just gonna add in some clip-ins right here, and then I'm gonna cut them as low as my hair. So that's what we have going on. So let's hurry up and put in these clip-ins. Oh my god, it's after 7 and I have to stop at the store like I told you guys, so I definitely need to hurry up. All right, so we are done with our hair. I'm gonna flat iron after I show up, and then it's time to get ready for this water party. So summer in Jamaica, baby. Summer has definitely started. The heat, number one, and then all the parties that are popping up. It's gonna be a lot, but we do have plans. So there's a big holiday coming up for emancipation, independence, so yeah, we are ready for the road because we're gonna be outside this summer, baby. We are. All right, babe, so we are ready, and this is literally the fit that we're working with for this party. No makeup, have to wear the hat, like, well, you don't have to, but it's hot out there. I already have on my sunscreen. I should bring it in the car though, so I need to put somebody to put it on my back. Glasses, of course, and we're just in this swimsuit top and this biker tights. Y'all can't even see me. And I'm gonna show my shoes because it's a water party. Water party equal boots. Y'all still can't even see me. Let me bring boots. Come on, I like that fit here. I feel it good. Ooh. Y'all, the boots is from Shein. If you don't like it, I'll link it down below. Y'all, how could I forget? I gotta bring our bag. So I'm thinking to wear it crossbody, of course. So this is cute. I can't remember. I think somebody was selling this and I bought it from them. So this is actually very good for like a water. Y'all can't see me. So yeah, this is like very good for like a water party event. It's clear and it's plastic. So that is the vibe we're working with. And yeah, so we're at crossbody.
I'm so cozy.
With me right.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So it is the day after the event. Y'all saw where I showed you some few a few little clippings of the event yesterday, the breakfast party. Y'all, I got wet. Like, look at my hair. My hair is looking crazy, so that means I'm gonna have to wash it today. And then since it's Sunday, I definitely have a few errands to do. Well, in the house, not errands yet. I need to do some light cleaning, so have to knock that out today. Have to cook breakfast, and number 3 on the agenda is study. Your girl got exams coming up in a few days, so that is the main priority at this time. So yeah, so I'm gonna jump into just cleaning and all of that right now. I do have some Amazon packages to look at, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. So I got my cleaning buckets and all of them somewhere right now. So yeah, it's time to rock and roll. But I hope you guys enjoyed that event yesterday. It was a bomb. It was a vibe. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. This is just like a short video, y'all, because like I said, it's studying time, so I gotta put that as priority. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below, and I will see y'all in another video.
Take up some space.